Hi, this is Irene with BrainStormAcres, and today we're going to do something super important. Hi, this is Irene with BrainStormAcres, and today we're going to do something super important. We've been wanting to do soil testing here for several years, and we have used a soil test kit before, like 10-15 years ago, and it did give us some insights, but it's time to go use a real lab and get it done. We asked for a soil test kit from our daughter for Christmas, and we got it, so we're gonna get going. We were going to do this a couple of weeks ago, but the ground was frozen. It didn't seem like it was going to make any sense. So we've been debating where to get the soil from, because a lot of these beds have been very heavily amended. So we figured if we dug down a bit and tried not to choose a spot where a plant had been planted, which would have a root ball in it, we would probably get the best and most accurate view. Now I can see I've got, oh, there's a pupa in here. Interesting. Creatures from outer space in my soil sample. So I decided what I would do is get some of this, and then that will allow me to make sure there's not too much in the way of organics in here. Any rocks and stuff can come out too. So that should be enough. There we go. And then I'll just, the kit we have came with a little scoop. We're supposed to take a scoop worth of it and put it into the special container for shipping. Previous people that I've seen online have talked about trying to eliminate as many of the organics and stuff as possible, because you don't want that to be skewing the results. Yeah, this looks like dirt pretty much. That's why I didn't want to take the very top, because I know I had top dressed this with some stuff last time. So, okay, I think that's it. Take this inside. Get that weed out of here while I'm here. Break that open. I guess that's it. And this says just put that in here. There's a rock in there, of course. Get the rock out. Substitute a piece of dirt. That's my theory. Tighten it down good. Laboratory submission cards. Please send this card with a soil sample. This is a vegetable garden. Email address required for report notification. Yeah, this says try and leave out all the other debris and stuff like that. Do not give to small children. Choking hazard. Okay, so I keep that one. This is what I sent with it. Make sure that's tight. And then first because it doesn't go once you've got this in there. That's all we have to do. Now we take this to the post office and we wait 7 to 10 days, and we can either get it email or on our website. And it'll tell us all about what kind of fertilizer and stuff we need. So hopefully this is an inspiration for other people to do this. Like I said, we've used the home tests before and they did give us some insight, but we decided it was time to get a lab to do a little bit more in depth for us, because it's hard to tell sometimes when your plants are not doing great, whether it's the weather, the bugs, the water, whatever. So hopefully this will give us a inspiration and some perspiration, and we'll have a vegetable garden out of the deal. So if you like this sort of thing, be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, because we're going to be doing lots of gardening this year. And until next time, bye. Do 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 do.